What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be inspecting this drum, and we have a couple different color guides inside of here on this used header. So as you can see, we have a white guide here, a white guide here, and then we have a couple black ones right here. And I want to go over which guides you should be using, especially when you're trying to save money this upcoming year. So these white guides are typically a good indicator that this is a case branded guide. These black guides right here that have a small MD on it is a MacDon guide. So those differences when you guys are putting guides on is that these white guides right here are actually made out of a softer plastic than our MacDon guides. That could be an issue, especially when you're dealing with heat over time, that these white guides are actually going to wear out quicker. So they may be cheaper, you may get a good deal on them, but they are going to wear out faster. And especially if you have hired hands that don't inspect these every day, you may risk blowing up a drum just to save a couple bucks on one of these guides. So we highly recommend always using MacDon branded drum guides, properly torquing the bolts, and making sure that those bolts have Loctite on them so they don't ever come loose. So in conclusion, if you guys are wanting to save some money, in this case, I would actually recommend putting MacDon guides back in it to help those guides last longer. Have a great day.